Once upon a time in the skies above America, a new era of air power began, the United States Air Force. Today, the USAF stands as one of the most advanced and powerful air forces in the world. From defending the homeland to exploring the edge of space, the Air Force shapes the future of global security. The story of the U.S. Air Force begins long before it became an independent branch. During World War II, American air power grew rapidly under the Army Air Forces. But on September 18, 1947, everything changed and the Air Force officially became its own military branch. Its mission was clear: to control the skies, support global operations, and protect the United States from any airborne threat. From the Cold War to modern conflicts, the Air Force has evolved faster than any other military branch, embracing innovation, advanced engineering, and strategic intelligence. What started as a group of bombers and fighters is now a massive network of aircraft, satellites, cyber units, and elite airmen trained to respond within minutes. The USAF operates some of the most iconic and powerful aircraft ever built. The F-22 Raptor, unmatched in stealth and air superiority, can dominate any fight with speed, agility, and advanced radar. The F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation multi-role fighter, combines stealth, electronic warfare, and precision targeting, making it one of the most feared jets on the planet. The Air Force's bomber fleet is legendary. The B-2, Spirit stealth bomber, can fly, undetected, and strike anywhere on Earth. The B-1B, Lancer, brings long-range, speed, and heavy firepower. And the aging but unstoppable B-52, Stratofortress, has been serving for more than 70 years, yet still remains a critical part of America's strategic mission. Beyond jets and bombers, the Air Force commands advanced drones like the MQ-9 Reaper, capable of surveillance, precision strikes, and intelligence operations worldwide. And in the modern age, the USAF extends its power into space, managing GPS satellites, space surveillance, communication systems, and early warning technologies that protect millions of people every day. The mission of the U.S. Air Force isn't limited to warfare. Airmen around the world provide critical support during natural disasters, delivering food supplies, medical aid, evacuation operations, and emergency relief. When hurricanes, earthquakes, or wildfires strike, USAF aircraft are some of the first to respond. On the global stage, the Air Force works with allies across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East to maintain peace, stability, and freedom of movement. From the blue skies above to the silent darkness of space, the United States Air Force continues to push the limits of technology, strength, and courage. Its legacy is built on innovation, discipline, and the unwavering dedication of the men and women who serve. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful U.S. military content.